Mauritius is located in the Indian Ocean, approximately 2,000 kilometers away from the southeast coast of Africa. Since it has plenty of natural and man-made attractions, Mauritius is considered to be one of the world's most luxurious tourist destinations. However, to help ensure that Mauritius is right for you, here are some Mauritius travel tips to know. When to go. Given that Mauritius is located just 20 degrees south of the equator, it is a great destination for a vacation at any point of the year. The island's peak tourist season tends to be from October to April, since it is hot and humid, although January to March has a slight risk of cyclones. From May to September, the island has fewer mosquitoes and the climate is more dry and warm. During the island's winter months, the travel rates can drop anywhere from 30%. To get around Mauritius, you can use buses, but other options tend to be cheaper. Many people choose to drive around on their own, using rented vehicles or bicycles. However, it should be noted that the roads are not paved and that both people and animals may be using the roads as well. You also need to be at least 23 years old to rent a vehicle as well as having a valid driver's license. To make the experience less stressful, you can choose to use taxis to get around instead. Taxis are regulated depending on what hotel and province they are linked to. Taxis are not only convenient for sightseeing, but also cost-effective. To make the most of your vacation to Mauritius, it is important to do as much research and planning as possible beforehand, to ensure that everything goes smoothly. Once you have everything figured out, you will be able to enjoy your trip with less stress.